Welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a G35 Coupe. I'm going to show you how to remove the center console armrest. This is also the same for G35 sedan as well. Let's get to it. You may see that all this is open right now. You don't need to take this off, but we film how-tos. So just imagine this being here, okay? Because this doesn't affect you. You can take your armrest off first thing first, like before doing any of this. So there's going to be a little cover right here. And there's going to be two openings on the cover. Put your flathead in right there. Just give it a little tilt back and a twist. Work your way down. If it wants to go back in, grab a clip or a pick and just slide it in there to hold it. And you're going to pull that out like that. This slides forward to the front of the car. And then it's going to expose 4 screws in there. So get your right tool, which is a Phillips head. And what I like to do on these ones is I'll unscrew it until it doesn't move anymore, and I'll actually take the screws out with the center console or with the armrest, because it has holes on the bracket right there, so it'll lift up those screws out of there. Okay, so that's all the way out. Let's give this a lift straight up. Looks like that one still has a little bit of something connected to it. And then just rotate that hinge forward a little bit and it'll get past it. And there you go. That is how you remove a armrest on a G35 Coupe or G35 sedan.